Hello everybody and good morning. Yes, it is cold today. We're here in Cody, Wyoming. We're getting ready to move on down the road. There's Galen. He's getting things ready here. 17 degrees Fahrenheit, starting to snow. We've gonna hit the local site here and see if we can get up there, and then go another site again today. So there you go. Let's hit the road. Ready?
Might have to pull forward just a hair.
Yeah, ball looks just slightly back.
Oh. Okay.
There we go.
That's got it.
Are you tough enough for today?
My steel has been keenly honed.
Excellent. Well, it should be in another adventure today. Got some snow going. Looks like there's going to be some more snow. We're in search of sites to do today. Heading out of Cody, Wyoming now. Yeah, we might have a change of plans today. We're going to check out the local site, and if possible, we'll do it. If not, we're headed to the east. Tooling down the road. Next stop, Tin Sleep, Wyoming. Let's have a look around. Out here on Highway 30 now, taking a shortcut. Looks like a depot almost. Looks like some kind of an old service station. I think we've been here once or twice.
There's even a
Post office.
See a filling station there? I didn't see a filling station.
That's it. Burlington, Wyoming. Just coming into the town of Auto, as in autopilot. Couple houses here. Ooh, that's an oldie. Look at that.
There's a church.
Yeah, that's an old church. Been there a while, I think. We're just in the town of Basin here now, and we're turning south onto Highway 16 here, I think. Basin's been here a while, like all these little towns.
Turn right onto US 16 East, US 20 East.
There it is. The Basin Republican Wrestler Printing. Is that where the newspaper's made?
That's the newspaper.
That's the local newspaper for the town of Basin here. So here's some of the buildings in Basin. Some stuff.
Continue on US 16 East for 11 miles.
She's just chatty Cathy today. Yep, just going through the town of Basin here. Heading east of Manderson now. I think we found the snow again here. Yeah, the snow here is getting a little bit bigger. We're off the main road now and going to share the road with our buddies here. Old number 68 there. Ciao, boys. Coming through. We made it to the next site here, and we're going to take the four-wheelers up. As you can see, it's pretty desolate here. We've got to go way up over that mountain there. Taking the four-wheelers. Here we are at Cedar Mountain. We are all done. We usually leave the RTVs, they're regular RTVs with tracks. We let them run while we're inside because the last thing you want is have them not start in this cold weather. This is a look around here from Cedar. As you can see, we're up here. Of course, it is snowing and nasty. All right, we're all done with the job. We're heading out. Just leaving Cedar Mountain now, headed to Tin Sleep for lunch, and then on to Gillette today. We made it up here to the pavement, headed to Tin Sleep. Just coming into the town of Tin Sleep, that's correct, T-E-N-S-L-E-E-P. We're gonna find a place here and get something to eat. We think.
Sure.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Well, the bar's open. That's delectable.
Well,
Sleepy Coyote Cafe and Bar, and that's closed. Bighorn Mountain Stage Company. Saloon Restaurant.
what is that? That might be the place to go right there.
Where's that?
Those places are open.
What do we got here? Eat Drive-Through, number 1.
I don't know what that is.
It is closed, no open sign. Well, we can eat at the Conoco. Oh, just kidding.
We'll turn around and look at you.
Oh, okay. Now find out where the place to eat. We're here at this cool place here in Tin Sleep. Here's the men's room. All right, check this out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, here we are. This is the inside of the men's room. All right. Yeah, a little of everything in here, I think. Yeah, look at that. Little place. Even have chalk. How about that? Yep, we got a little water wheel. Here's the urinal for the boys. Let's check this out. We'll pull it. Okay, you ready? Oh, how cool is this? Yeah, now that's certainly clever. You don't see that every day. Very cool. Well, what do you think? Pretty darn cool. Again, this is Tin Sleep, and it's a great little pizza place. They have toasted cheese sandwiches and other things. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find here. How about that? Uh-oh. Look at that. Looks like Mad Max. How cool. Yard art to the max. We're just leaving Tin Sleep now. Had a nice lunch there at Saskatoon's, I think it's called. Had pizza. And they had toasted cheese sandwiches and some good soup. A little spicy, but good. Just heading up over the mountain now. Just heading up over the pass here now on Highway 16, and it doesn't look like they've plowed much here.
I wouldn't want to be going over this with little Dodson pickup with slick tires.
No. Yeah, we're just heading up over the pass here. It's the Bighorn National Park, isn't it? Is that what it said?
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Yeah, the Bighorn National Park.
These are the Bighorns.
And we're in the Bighorn Mountain, obviously. And we're just taking our time to get up over this 2-lane road, go up over the pass and down into, where are we going? What's that place along 90?
Buffalo, Wyoming.
Buffalo, Wyoming, the place with the oddball weather. Not many people have come up here. I guess they're smart.
Here, you know, those are pretty nice trees. But anyway,
made it over the pass. We're down on flat now. Quite a bit of snow the whole way, but no issues. Just entered the outskirts of Buffalo, Wyoming now. Yeah, we're in the center here of Buffalo now. A lot of different places here on the highway. Yeah, here's what it looks like after going through all that snow. Look at this. Holy mackerel. Look at the stalactites there. Or stalagmites. Tights, yeah. Yeah, look at that. You can't even get in there now. It's so frozen. Galen knocked a bunch of our junk off front of the trailer. The wheelers look pretty toasty. There you go.
look at the back end of my truck.
Oh, Galen found it or followed us in his truck. Wow. Look at that. That's something now, isn't it? We're now eastbound on Interstate 90, heading to Gillette, Wyoming. Look at all the hills. You'd think it'd be flat here in Wyoming, more so. We are just about in Gillette, and look what met us. Yeah, that's snow. It's just not letting up on us today. It's just beating us about the head and shoulders. Where in the heck did this junk come from? The weather app on my phone says no snow. Yeah, we're off here on the interstate.
Also,
We made it.
should we just see if we can help?
What? Let's just check in.
Yes, yeah.
I'll check us in.